What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. Before we head inside, we're going to check out everything that's going on outside the park. Let's go! Alright, so we're back now at the park, and it is busy, busy, busy. As we can see, the self-service ticketing has a line, and both sides of these ticket windows are being used. So yeah, very busy, and that's because Food and Wine Festival is officially started. That's going on February 29th through April 26th. Good news though, we have a bunch of security gates open, so we should be right in. Yep, no wait to get through really, and we are on our way, but again, this place is packed. Also up here at the front, we have a photo opportunity spot for the Food and Wine Festival right there. Alright, so we're up here in the front entrance area, and there's something else we need to talk about at the main gift shop, and that's Iron Gwazi merchandise. And we can see right here, 5% is going to go to the Wilderness Foundation. We have hats, shot glasses, t-shirts, little tumblers right there, coffee mugs. It all looks very, very nice. Soon enough, this shirt is going to have to change 7 times the speed. We're going to need, of course, Iron Gwazi on there soon.
You have money? You have money?
Tuxedo bird! And he doesn't have many friends in the water. A little cold for that.
Look at him! Take a picture of that one.
He's itching himself. Oh, look at him. How's his face?
Variation, I presume. Maybe a few.
Lazy bone trying to do it.
Antopia. That means Falcon's Fury. And here we are now at the front entrance for Falcon's Fury. Again, a great way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi.
Yeah.
The Phoenix. Yep, nothing to talk about here. Moving on. Oh, you know, just monkeying around. And as we can see here, Skyride is currently closed due to winds, unfortunately. Who knows, we might get a chance to ride it a little bit later if it dies down. Stanleyville Theater still has concerts, and today is going to be Eagle Mania, the world's greatest Eagles tribute band. Showtime's 11:30 and 1 o'clock. Oh yeah, we made our way over to Shikra. Now it's time for an aerial view from here of Iron Gwazi.
Okay, so I mean,
Steel support parts are in the air.
This is a more artistic shot.
Okay, copy that.
And I definitely I'll show you the coaster. Shot.
Like looking that way?
Yeah, anyway, just like we don't have any context, so it's more of a backlit sun flare shot. Profile, him kind of walks in and just kind of.
More steel pieces are going in right now. We can see the crane lowering it into place.
Okay, I promise I won't.
Yeah. And here we can see another piece of track about to go in. Once again, guys, the Food and Wine Festival is going on right now. Today we have Collective Soul here, and Gwazi Park is open. So that means you can go in here and get some awesome shots of Gwazi and eat some good food, try some drinks. As you can see, there's lots of booths all over. Walking topiaries. Gotta love them. Here we can see work wall still up for the Coca-Cola Pavilion. Eventually we're gonna have some shows and concerts right here. But right now, still behind the walls. So directly across from the main entrance and the watering hole, well, we have An Iron Gwazi cart, yeah, so we can see some more merchandise. Some of this was found up at the front entrance, but that was not. That is a pass member exclusive souvenir, as we can see the white hats, the pin, which I don't see currently yet, the shirt, and the tumbler. All of it looks really, really nice. We'll go around the corner and see if there's anything else. Yep, sure enough. There's the stuff that we saw at the front entrance with the black hats and shirts. Looks awesome. So, of course, let's talk about the ride a little bit. Well, the going rumor for a while, again, rumor, is that March 14th is what they are aiming for. But that date does not look like it's going to happen, as they are still waiting to complete the track. Should be done, though, within the next couple days, as they're literally finishing the stall right now. And then all they have to do is put the bottom of the drop. So I'm still thinking into March is a possibility. This is a bit different. The sign has changed just since our last update. It used to have almost some camouflage right there for the iron, but now it's a flat color.
If you catch it, you gotta hold on to it. Shut up.
Queue area is still looking very nice, as we can see a bunch of new plants and foliage around since our last update. And lots of other foliage and plants right here in the front entry area as well. Well, check this out, guys. We have lights on the lift hill as well as the sign lit up here in the front entrance area. Looks beautiful. And there we have it. Night has fallen, and the Iron Gwazi sign is fully lit up. Looks awesome. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. And I am happy to say crews have installed more track for the stall. And there's only about maybe 100 to 125 feet left until the track course is complete. Of course, as soon as that is done, we should be testing. I'm not going to give you guys any more dates because apparently you guys take that to heart way too much. But yes, things are progressing well, and we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.